There are different clumps of hydrangeas, they can be separated. You may use your hands to separate clumps or use a sharp cutter to split them. Don't worry for roots, hydrangeas are tough plants, they will bounce back. These all will root into separate plants or plant them together to give a bushy look. I will make 2 plants. You can make as many new plants as you wish. Mix cow manure and river sand in the soil to make it nutrition-rich and free draining. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. Just click on the subscription button below this video or click the logo here.